How to unlimited bash/shell history. Is there a way to define an unlimited history in bash?
A different concept may not be applicable, but you can have unlimited history when using shell sync.
Add this to your .bashrc, Linux, or .bash_ profile, macOS. There you go, unlimited history. Currently, I have 27,000 entries. Happy smiley. From man bash. If hist file size is not set, no truncation is performed. That means .bash_ history is never truncated. Also, the same seems to apply to hist size, although I couldn't find that documented. Another neat feature I'm going to try is this. If the hist time format variable is set, timestamps are written to the history file, marked with the history comment character, so they may be preserved across shell sessions, like the following. Let me know if you have tried that already.
After many large, ugly iterations and weird edge cases over the years, I now have a concise section of my .bashrc dedicated to this. First, you must comment out or remove this section of your .bashrc, default for Ubuntu. If you don't, then certain environments, like running screen sessions, will still truncate your history. Second, add this to the bottom of your .bashrc. Note, every command is written immediately after it's run, so if you accidentally paste a password, you cannot just kill -9% to avoid the history write. You'll need to remove it manually. Also note that each bash session will load the full history file in memory, but even if your history file grows to 10 MB, which will take a long time, you won't notice much of an effect on your bash startup time.
Include in /.bashrc. This answer satisfies the following criteria. A separate master history, no session can interrupt your history. Automatic history writing, no hotkeys. Infrequent writes, no appending after each command. Background. On interactive startup, if $hist file size is set to a number, bash truncates $hist file to that number. On interactive close, if the shell option hist append is set, bash appends $hist size lines to $hist file, otherwise it overwrites $hist file. Tips for OS X terminal. Every time a tab is created in terminal, /.bash_ profile is read, which means bash doesn't go on to read your /.bashrc. Add the following line to your /etc/bash_ profile. Tips for screen. If you use screen, your configuration file is /.screenrc. If you want screen to record history, you just need to set it to use a login shell which will source your bash startup files and record your history.
Forest Channel. These are the